All right, everyone. So what we're going to be working on right now is speaking, listening, and pronunciation exercise. This one's going to be a bit more fun. We're going to be reading from the playwright In the Heights that was written by Lin-Manuel Miranda, who you might have heard of, that also wrote the play for Hamilton. But yeah, we're gonna read. So I want you to get in groups of like two or three people, and what I want everybody to do is just take turns as pick a character and then read whatever that character's role is saying, and then that way we get a chance to speak. That way we get a chance to listen, and also I'm going to be walking around, so I'm going to be hearing you out for your pronunciation whenever you're saying words or maybe struggling with a word and you're not sure how to say it. If I'm not around, say it however best you can, however best you think it is. Okay, so that's the best way we're going to learn is by making mistakes. Remember, we want to get comfortable with making mistakes. Okay, so let's do a practice run, and I'm going to be reading, and then whoever wants to just raise your hand, I'll point at you, and then read, and then I'll read again if it's my turn, and then let's say somebody else wants to read next, just raise your hand right away and I'll point at you. And yeah, so let's get started on this. And then what we're doing right now is what you're going to be doing in your small groups. Okay, so we're all going to be reading different chapters, and by the end of it, we're going to use this material again because we're going to summarize. So the way that we were learning how to summarize before, I want you to use this book again, this playwright, your chapter that you're working on, to summarize. But for now, we're just going to be working on speaking, on reading, on pronunciation, and listening, okay? So I'll be reading first. I'll be reading from the role of Usnavi, and then, like I said, yep, like that. Raise your hand, and then just as soon as I point at you, start reading, okay? Yo, that's my wall. Okay. Yeah, perfect, like that. Lights up on Washington Heights, up at the break of day. I wake up and I got this little punk I gotta chase away. Pop the grate at the crack of dawn, sing while I write down the awning. Hey y'all, good morning. So, Piragua guy. Perfect. Yo, Piragüero, ¿cómo estás? Now, so this play does have some Spanish, so I will read whatever the book has, but I mean, for the most part, it does have English. If anybody wants me to quickly translate just so that we're all on the same page, I'll be more than happy to do so. Okay, so Navi says, Yo, Piragüero, ¿cómo estás? And then Piragua guy, okay, go for it. I am Uznavi, and you're probably never heard of my name. Reports of my fame are greatly exaggerated, exacerbated by the fact that my syntax is highly complicated, because I immigrated from the single greatest little place in the Caribbean, Dominican Republic. I love it. Jesus, I'm jealous of it. But beyond that, ever since my folks passed on, I haven't gone back. God damn, I gotta get on that. The milk has gone bad. Hold up, just a second. Why is everything in this fridge warm and tepid? I better step it up and fight the heat, because I'm not making any profit, and this coffee isn't light and sweet. So, who wants to read Abuela Claudia? Go for it. Abuela, do you have milk at home? So, Abuela Claudia, someone else? Okay, go for it. It's my fridge. I got café, but no con leche. So, perfect. Nice. Your lottery tickets? Okay. Alright, so now that we've read the first chapter of In the Heights, I want us all to just check out the trailer for the upcoming movie. And what we're gonna do after we're done watching the trailer is that we're gonna go to evpoll.com, and what we're gonna do there is we'll be answering some simple questions like yes or no, but we're gonna also be explaining why we chose the answer of yes or no. That way we get a little bit more of a chance to talk and listen to each other. So let's check out the trailer.
I am Usnavi, and you probably never heard my name. Reports of my fame are greatly exaggerated.
Morning, Usnavi.
Pan caliente, café con leche.
On these blocks, you can't.
All right, so now it's time to go evpoll.com, and let's do some surveys, and let's start talking. Let's get a discussion and have some fun. I hope everyone liked the trailer.